Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Venus, Earth's twin in size but so unique in its characteristics. Did you know that Venus orbits the Sun at an average distance of 67 million miles, or about 0.72 astronomical units? It's so close to the Sun that sunlight takes just 6 minutes to reach it. Venus is almost as big as Earth, with a diameter of 7,521 miles, just slightly smaller than Earth's 7,926 miles. When it comes to brightness, Venus is a true showstopper. It's the brightest object in the night sky after the Moon, often visible as the iconic morning star or evening star. But here's the twist: Venus has phases, just like our Moon. Watching Venus through a telescope over 584 days reveals these phases in action, a discovery first made by Galileo. This observation was a key piece of evidence that proved our solar system is heliocentric, with the Sun at the center. If you found this journey into the mysteries of Venus exciting, make sure to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more space adventures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.